We are going to solve the inequality using method of intervals. Product is less than or equal to 0. So let's make each of these factors to be equal to 0. The first one, x minus 3 squared is 0. 4 minus x is 0. And the third one, 2x plus 1 is 0. Now we need to solve each of these equations. X minus 3 is 0, x equals 3. Now pay attention on this square. It means we got 3 as a 0 of multiplicity 2. And what is important, it's even multiplicity. Now the next one, x equals 4 and multiplicity 1. It's odd multiplicity, don't worry about that. Next one, 2x is negative 1, so x is negative 1/2. And again, multiplicity 1, it's odd multiplicity, don't worry. Number line, and we're going to place all those solutions on a number line. Let's start with the smallest one, negative 1/2. Since we have equal sign, so we must include all these numbers. So we use closed circles, that's 3 and 4. Such way our number line was divided into several intervals. And now we need to figure out what sign plus or minus on each of these intervals. So to do that, we just need to choose this number from any of these intervals and plug this number into this expression. So I suggest to choose some big number from a most right interval. Let's say 100, somewhere here. Now plug 100 here. 100 minus 3, it's positive. 4 minus 100, negative. See, I don't need to know that 4 minus 100 is negative 96. Only I need to know it's positive or negative. Negative. 2 times 100 plus 1, it's positive. Now, multiplying positive number times positive gives negative result. So from here we have negative. So it means the sign on the interval where we choose 100 is negative. So this sign is negative. So the next interval, positive. The next, now our attention on this one, 3 was a 0 of even multiplicity. We could mark, special mark, so do not forget, it's even multiplicity. So it means when we go through this solution, we have to keep the same sign. So if this is plus, then this should be the same sign, plus. So if 3 is a 0 of even multiplicity, on both sides should be the same sign. So plus or minus depend. Now the next one, negative 1/2 is not 0 of even multiplicity, so we change the sign. Okay. Now we have to choose what intervals goes to our answer. Interval with pluses or with minus. So it depends on this sign, and this is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative, so we're choosing negative. So just show that we choose these two intervals. Okay, but since we have equal sign, that also remember those numbers will be included in our solution. And now write the answer. So from left to right, yes, we have solution on the very left, and it starts with what? Negative infinity. So negative infinity to negative 1/2. And it's included, so I use bracket. Union with, so no solutions here, but 3. 3 must be included in our answer. And it's a single number. So I use braces, a single number. Then no solutions here, but there again we have solutions. So union with the next interval from 4, including, to infinity. So here it is. Now, in my next video, I will show you how to use method intervals, but without plugging any test number. Just watch my next video.